Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best dryer balls is probably one of the most sustainable and cost-effective ways to improve your laundry routine, offering a natural alternative to traditional fabric softeners and dryer sheets that can leave behind chemical residues and contribute to landfill waste. These reusable spheres, typically made from wool or rubber, work by separating your clothes in the dryer, allowing hot air to circulate more freely, which can significantly reduce drying times and save energy. Beyond their environmental benefits, many users report that dryer balls leave clothes feeling softer, reduce static cling, and minimize wrinkles, making them a versatile addition to any household looking to achieve cleaner, fresher laundry with less impact on the planet and their wallets. Number 5. Handy Laundry Wool Dryer Balls, 6-pack. Introducing Handy Laundry Wool Dryer Balls, your natural solution for softer clothes. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to gentle, effective softening. These premium wool dryer balls are designed to last. Replace disposable dryer sheets and liquid softeners with this reusable, eco-friendly alternative for over 1,000 loads. Experience significantly reduced drying times. As they tumble, they separate your laundry, allowing hot air to circulate better, leading to fewer wrinkles and fluffier clothes. Shorten your drying cycles by up to 25%. This means less appliance usage and lower electricity bills, saving you money with every load. Enjoy clothes that are not only softer and fluffier but also free from static cling. These wool balls are a superior alternative to plastic balls and liquid softeners. Crafted from 100% premium New Zealand wool, our dryer balls are dense, extra large, and felted for exceptional durability and performance. No synthetic fillers, just pure quality. What we like? These offer superior quality wool, ensuring a natural and durable product. They are a fantastic reusable alternative to chemical softeners, lasting over 1,000 loads. If you're looking for a way to significantly cut down on drying time and save on energy costs, these are an excellent choice for eco-conscious households. What people say. No off-gas chemical smell, quicker drying equals dollars saved. Clothes saved too. Soft, effective, durable. These are high-quality dryer balls and reduces the time to dry your clothes. The size is perfect and are rigid due to the thickness, so they do no crush between clothes, blankets, or towels, etc. They made of very good quality wool fibers. They added a little noise to the drying process but nowhere near what the dryer balls I'd been using that were doing not a thing in exchange for the racket they made. I expect they will last for many years and cause each load of laundry dried with them to be soft and free of static. Number 4. Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, 6-pack. Tired of harsh chemicals in your laundry? Discover a natural way to soften your fabrics. These wool dryer balls are the perfect solution. Experience the difference with our award-winning design. They are crafted for superior performance in every load. Say goodbye to wasteful dryer sheets. These reusable wool balls effectively replace them, saving you money and reducing waste. Keep your clothes soft and static-free without damage. They are gentle on all types of fabrics, ensuring longevity. Make your laundry routine more eco-friendly. Using these helps reduce energy consumption and chemical exposure. Our extra-large premium wool balls are designed for maximum efficiency. They handle large loads with ease, delivering exceptional results. What we like? These are recognized for their award-winning quality and come in an extra-large size for maximum effectiveness. They serve as a premium natural fabric softener, replacing traditional dryer sheets. If you prioritize proven performance and a gentle, natural softening solution for your laundry, these are a great option. What people say. Significantly reduced the drying time of most of my clothes and items, while also effectively reducing static, comparable to the effect of a dryer sheet. The main benefits of these are their ability to reduce wrinkles while speeding the drying process. They truly do cut down on drying time and I'm not having any static cling issues. Number 3. SnugPad XL Wool Dryer Balls. Introducing SnugPad XL Wool Dryer Balls, your natural solution for laundry day. These premium dryer balls are designed to make your clothes softer and reduce wrinkles. Crafted from 100% organic wool sourced from New Zealand, they are completely chemical-free. You can feel good about using them on all your family's clothes, even for babies. Say goodbye to annoying static cling and stubborn wrinkles. These dryer balls help your laundry come out looking smoother and feeling fresher. Not only do they soften fabrics, but they also help reduce drying time. This means you save energy and get your laundry done faster. With the capacity to handle over 1,000 loads, these are a sustainable choice for your home. They are a reusable alternative to traditional fabric softeners. Experience a gentler way to dry your clothes while cutting down on energy consumption. They are designed for efficiency and care. What we like. Made from 100% organic premium New Zealand wool, these are incredibly gentle and baby safe. They effectively reduce wrinkles and are designed to last for over 1,000 loads, saving energy and time. If you have sensitive skin, young children, or are seeking a chemical-free way to achieve softer, less wrinkled clothes, these are the perfect fit. What people say. These dryer balls work really well and help cut down on drying time. I switched to these because dryer sheets were leaving oily stains on my clothes, and I haven't had that issue at all since making the switch. They're easy to use, well made, and I like that they're a natural option with no added scent. The clothes and other laundry dries much faster, replaces liquid fabric softener, so saves money, chemicals, and storage space. Replace dryer sheets, so saves money, chemicals, and storage space. Reduces static, reduces chemical exposure to the skin of my whole family, reduces trash, and after I change the heat setting to low, the clothes have significantly less wrinkles, and it still takes less time to dry than before switching to the balls. I don't think they live up to every claim, especially that they will prevent static cling. They really don't do much for that. I still throw a dryer sheet in with my whites, which is the batch that seems to build the most static. But I do like that these seem to dry things a bit faster, and definitely help with a bulky load like towels, bedding, or heavy clothing like jeans and hoodies. These also hold up great. In the years I've had them, they haven't discolored or gotten smaller or anything. They still work as good as when they were new. Number 2. Ecoigy Wool Dryer Balls XL 6-pack. Introducing Ecoigy Wool Dryer Balls XL, your natural solution for laundry day. This 6-pack offers an eco-friendly way to care for your clothes. Crafted from 100% pure New Zealand wool, these balls are designed to be gentle on fabrics. They provide a natural alternative to traditional fabric softeners and dryer sheets. Experience significantly reduced drying times and fewer wrinkles with every load. They help your laundry dry faster and come out looking smoother. Infuse your laundry with your favorite scents by adding essential oils. Enjoy a fresh, natural fragrance without the use of artificial chemicals. These reusable dryer balls are an excellent choice for an environmentally conscious home. Make the switch to a sustainable laundry routine today. What we like. Crafted from 100% pure New Zealand wool, these are an excellent eco-friendly alternative to dryer sheets. They are particularly ideal for use with essential oils, allowing you to naturally scent your laundry. If you enjoy adding a personal fragrance to your clothes and want a sustainable way to soften fabrics, these are a wonderful choice. What people say. These dryer balls are a great alternative to dryer sheets. They help to soften clothes and reduce static cling. I've noticed that my clothes dry faster when using these dryer balls. Number 1. Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, 3-pack. Introducing the Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, an award-winning solution for your laundry needs. These XL Premium Natural Balls are designed to soften your fabrics effectively. Say goodbye to chemical fabric softeners. Our wool balls provide a natural way to achieve softer clothes with every wash. Tired of disposable dryer sheets? These wool balls are a reusable and eco-friendly alternative that works just as well, if not better. Experience the difference with our extra-large, premium-quality wool balls. They are built to last and provide superior performance in your dryer. Make a smart choice for your laundry and the planet. These natural wool balls are a sustainable option that reduces waste and energy consumption. Not only do they soften your clothes, but they also help reduce static cling and wrinkles. Enjoy laundry that feels and looks its best. What we like. These feature an award-winning design and come in an extra-large size for efficient drying. This particular pack offers a convenient 3-count option, making it accessible for smaller households or those wanting to try them out. If you're looking for a proven, effective natural softener and prefer a smaller quantity to start with, this set is ideal. What people say. The dryer balls are incredibly useful for shortening drying time significantly. They are soft and have a solid weight to do their job. Work beautifully to soften clothes, usually with a shorter dry time. You can even still have your favorite scent if you add a few drops of a favorite essential oil to a couple of the wool balls. These work great, eliminate static in clothing without having to use dryer sheets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.